Hello, welcome once again to the third installment of our Vim commands tutorial. Here I'm going to show you very important 10 commands that you need if you work using Vim, the editor. Here to start off, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a character in your text file. Here on line 2, we have the word majority, and I wanted to delete the letter M. To do this, I can just use the letter X. As you can see, M is gone. Another thing you might want to do is to delete an entire word. To do that, you can use two letters, DW. You can type that simultaneously. As you can see, that word is gone. Another thing that you might want to do is to delete a line. Here we can delete the second line. And to delete the second line, you can use two letters, DD. The second line is gone. Sometimes you might want to change a character in your file. For instance, I wanted to delete on the third line the letter G. What you can do is to hit the R. Now it's highlighted. I can now just type in there wherever I want. Now the letter has changed to H. Sometimes you might want to change an entire word. Let's go on line 4 and let us change this word here. To change it, we can use CW. The word is gone. Now we can type in whatever we want. Another thing you might want to do sometimes is to yank or to copy an entire line. Now on the fourth line, let us go on and copy this line. We use YY. Now let me go like right below and paste it. To paste, you use the letter P in lowercase. To paste using the lower letter P, that's when you want to paste after the cursor. Let me hit again P to paste it again. Sometimes you want to paste before the cursor. In that case, you need to use uppercase P. Now, we want to replace a character. Maybe we can replace the letter B, and to replace a character, you use R in uppercase. Now, as you can see, the word replace is there. So we can replace it. Maybe let us use upper letter B. Now it's replaced. Now, I felt like I made a mistake and I want to undo what I did. That one is simple. You can just use the letter U. In lowercase, as you can see, it's changed. Oh, now I felt like I should have left it, so I want to redo it. To redo, you use Ctrl R. As you can see, it's gone back to upper letter B. So these are very interesting commands that you need. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye-bye.